What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to try to ride the 1980 Serveta Jet 200 that my club and myself rebuilt for our upcoming rally, the Camp Chaos Rally. It takes place in Blue Mountain, Virginia in May, beginning of June. So if you guys wanted to register and attend the rally, maybe you might be lucky enough to win this thing and take it home. But like I said, today we're going to take it out for a ride, make sure everything's okay with it before we give it away. So if you guys are ready, gear up, let's go for a ride. Alright, so first things first, we're going to do a little shakedown run just to make sure the brakes work, the clutch works, and just everything overall is okay before I actually go a little faster. Alright, so I just finished the shakedown run. Everything seems to be working okay. Nothing fell off, so let's go a little faster. Alright, so first impressions of the bike. It's actually very solid with a strong running engine. So here I am running through all 4 gears to make sure the transmission is okay, and then we'll see what else you can do. So just like any other stock vintage Italian scooter, this bike is no different. Has an extremely long 4th gear, so I pretty much just stayed in 3rd the entire time. Alright, so at this point I've ridden about 20 miles. I'm extremely happy with it, and I think the new lucky winner will be as well. There you have it, guys. She runs great. Well, don't forget, if you guys wanted to try to win this thing, register and attend our rally coming up in May, beginning of June in Blue Mountain, Virginia. But guys, that's gonna be it for this entire build series. If you guys have enjoyed these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.